friends with Coke slime, take gum out of your hair, or apply some special EOS to your lips? What do you use Coke for? Learn funny Coke life hacks and pranks in our new video. A new recipe with Coke. Whoops! There's an extra ingredient in here. My black iPhone. But the Coke ruined all the paint. Whoa, that's even better. Coke customization. Girls, I have a surprise. Let's have a Coke tasting. Look how many flavors there are. Let's try them all. Thanks, Alex. Can you help me open a can? I don't want to break my nails. Sure. It's like the whole Coca Cola universe wants to prank her right now. I'll open a can for my friend and add a new flavor to the Coke. Spicy chili sauce. Here you are. Have some. Oh, what's wrong with this Coke? It tastes weird. My tongue is burning. Whoops. Thanks a lot. Next time, I'll get a fire extinguisher. Haha. Cool down, Alex. Blackout. Everyone's phone suddenly died. And Alex is the only one who has a portable charger. Hide, Alex, hide! A Coke can will be perfect. Rub an empty Coke can with sandpaper to remove the top. Attach double-sided tape to the edge. Put a portable battery and charging cable into it. Put on the top. Pass the cable through the hole. Does anyone have a portable charger? Do you have a power bank? Guys, I need a charger. So do I.
What?
Alex was trying so hard, but he still couldn't hide his charging treasure. Give me your Coke! Give me your Coke! I want some Coke too! The boys are getting ready for a party. Hold on, I need your axe so I can attract girls. Holy groundhogs! This is the exact axe effect from the commercials. But unfortunately, it only worked on one geek. Well, that's not a lot. Alex, stop laughing. Do you have a better idea? I sure do. EOS with Coca Cola flavor. Take a clean EOS container apart. Coat the cap with Vaseline. Cut Coca Cola flavored gummy candies in half. Melt them in a microwave and pour into the cap one after another. First, pour in the light layer, then screw on the grid and pour in the dark layer. Close the container and let it harden. Our Coke-flavored EOS is done. Color the container with spray paint. Add a Coca Cola logo with white acrylic paint. Just apply some sweet EOS onto your lips and all the girls in the dorm will be yours. Everyone loves Coke. Whoa! Well, girls, I'm ready. Good afternoon. I want my nails to look soft and sweet. Sure. And here's your coffee. Oh, I didn't even notice that the nail tech has a beard. That's a little suspicious. Give me your hand, miss. I have a nail method just for you. Cut a Mentos candy in half lengthwise. Apply edible glue to 1/2 and attach it to a press-on nail. Here are your perfect nails! Hey, what's with this white monstrosity? Don't jump to conclusions. For the final touch, we need to dip the nail into a special bath. A Coke bath! Here, put them in. What's that? This is more than just a bath, it's a bubble bath! This manicure is refreshing, isn't it? How dare you! Smile for my TikTok! We are having a beautiful exotic lunch. We just need Coke. Waiter! I'm coming! Here's your Coke, Alex! Mix slime glue, gel laundry detergent, Coca Cola flavoring, food coloring, and a pinch of baking soda. Make slime. Pour Coke out of the bottle and put the slime into it. There's something wrong with this Coke. It won't pour out of the bottle. Hey, Coke, come out. I'll have to use all my strength. Ouch! What's that? Alien? Venom? Ew! It's Coca Cola slime. Haha! I got you, Alex. This is revenge for all your pranks. Look, there's a geek over there. And now she's a geek with gum. Guys, you can't do that! It's not easy to get rid of gum in your hair. Hang on, let me help you. I know a life hack. Coca Cola will always help. Pour Coke onto the gum and easily take it off the hair. There you go, you're saved. And now my revenge plan.
What?
Take that, Alex! Whoops! That was strong! A romantic date! I finally invited a girl over, but I completely forgot that my place is messy. Honey, hang on a second. I'll quickly clean my trash from the whole past year. Oh no, there's too much! I have an idea. I'll use trash for decoration. Poke an empty Coke can along the edge of the logo using a pushpin. Also poke stars on the can. Polish the bottom of the can with sandpaper and take it off. Put a tea light inside the can. Ew, done! Honey, welcome to my man cave. It's always mysteriously dark in here. The girl won't notice the mess, and my Coke lamp creates romantic vibes. Look at this awesome girl I spent the day with yesterday. Are you kidding? We've been friends with her for years. I've been friends with her longer. I have a birthday invitation from her 10 whole years ago. Pour Coke on a plate. Dip a card into it and let it sit for a few minutes. Take the card out and put it onto a flat surface so it dries completely. Dip the bottom of a mug into Coke and place the mug onto the corner of the card so it leaves a trace. Enough bragging, buddy! I have an invite like that too, but to her 7th birthday party! Preschool graduation! Then let's put this fight to an end like real men! Who's stronger? Hey, boys! Stop fighting! I appreciate both of you! Let's all be friends! Did you like our pranks and life hacks with Coca Cola? Then comment below which one you want to try! Would you make a lamp, organize a spicy taste test, or apply some special EOS to your lips? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new Coca Cola pranks from Troom.